Here's an important one. If you want less stress in your life and you want to reduce all the stresses that you have in your life, there is one thing that you have to do. There is only one solution, one answer that can fix all of your stresses. And that is the practice of saying no. Start saying no to whatever comes through your way. Sometimes we become stressful because we make promises that we can't count on. We make promises that we cannot do. So you want to succeed? Start by saying no. Start owning your life. Say yes only to yourself and say no to the things that are around you, because those are the things that pushes you back and they don't allow you to grow. The moment that you start looking internally and looking answer from within, then that is the moment that you start growing and becoming better in whatever is it that you're doing. So focus on today. Don't focus on others. Say no to those things that are coming out of your way, to those requests, and then focus on right now. This will reduce your stress.